Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our topic, derivative of a function using first principle method. F of x is equal to cot x. Find its derivative using first principle method. F dash x is equal to limit h approaches to 0 x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Limit h approaches to 0 f of x plus h. F of x plus h, replace x by x plus h. Cot x plus h minus cot x divided by h, correct? Limit h approaches to 0 1 by h. Cot x, you know, cos by sine, convert into cos and sine. Cos x plus h upon sine x plus h minus cos x by sin x. Limit h approaches to 0 1 by h. Take LCM. LCM of sin x plus h and sin x, that is sin x plus h into sin x. Therefore sin x plus h, sin x divided by sin x plus h, sin x cos x plus h minus cos x sin x plus h, correct? Formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Apply this formula, that is equal to sin a minus b. You can use this formula. Limit h approaches to 0 1 by h. According to that formula, you can write sin x minus h divided by sin x plus h into sin x, correct? X to x cancelled, therefore limit h approaches to 0 sin of minus h upon h into 1 upon sin x plus h into sin x. Clear? You know that formula sin of minus h, that is minus sin x. According to that formula, limit h approaches to 0 minus sin h by h into 1 upon sin x plus h into sin x. Clear? Property of sin x by x, that is 1. According to that property, this is minus 1 into, apply direct method here, put h is equal to 0. Therefore sin x into sin x. On simplification, minus 1 upon sin square x. 1 by sin square x minus cos x square x. This is the answer. Using first principle method, you can solve the derivative of cot x, that is equal to minus cos x square x. Clear? Now we take one more question. Derivative of sin square x. Derivative of sin square x. Second question. Derivative of sin square x using first principle method. According to this method, f dash x is equal to limit x approaches to 0 sin square x plus h minus sin square x divided by h. Now can you tell me the formula? Sin square a minus sin square b. You can apply this formula, sin square a minus sin square b. That is sin a plus b sin a minus b. Sin a plus b sin a minus b. You can use this formula here. Limit h approaches to 0. When you apply this formula, sin a plus b, x plus h plus x, that is 2x plus h into sin a minus b, x plus h minus x, that is h only, divided by h. Here. And according to the property, limit h approaches to 0, sin h by h, that is equal to 1. According to the property, that is equal to 1. Now you can use direct method. Put h is equal to 0 here. That is equal to sin 2x. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Using first principle method, you can say the derivative of sin square x, that is equal to sin 2x. This is second question. Third, another question. Sin to the power cube x. Can you solve this question? Using direct method. F dash x is equal to thrice sin square x and the derivative of sin x. Thrice sin square x, derivative of sin x, that is cos x. This is the solution of question number 3rd. Clear? Okay, students, with the help of this formula you can solve some simple question. Y is equal to, you can solve tan square x. Tan square x. Therefore differentiate both sides with respect to x. You can say 2 tan x into, and the derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x, that is sec square x. This is the answer. 4. Y is equal to cos cube x. Y is equal to cos cube x. dy by dx is equal to thrice cos square x, and the derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. This is the answer. Okay, students.